Tidy High campers, hope you're all doing well. So back out again for a February camp, and I'm looking a bit knackered at the moment, I suspect, because I've just walked about 5 miles or so, mostly uphill, and there's a bit of a slog because I'm carrying a ton in this rucksack. Definitely need to think about lightening the load if I'm going to do some more sort of hiking and wild camping. But there you go, it's good exercise nonetheless anyway, so I'm always up for a bit of that. But I'm back out in this woodland. I say back out, I've never been here before. This is a new woodland to me, and I've had a nice walk in, and the wind is kicking up a bit at the moment, but it's supposed to die down in an hour or so, so it should get a bit better as the day progresses. It's still quite early, it's 8:45. I'm catching up with Chris, Des and John, who camped up here last night as well, so I'll head into camp now and see what they're doing, and hopefully if they're good campers, diligent campers, they'll have the kettle on for me and a cup of tea waiting, so let's wait and see. Right, but I'll bring you back as the day progresses, and I'll speak to you later. So I've got the same old setup as last time again. 2-season OEX sleeping bag, X-Ped mat, pillow, and I've got those bars to pouch there to boost the pillow up a little bit more. And there's just a little ground sheet underneath this time. This is the Miltech divvy. Nice simple setup. How you doing? Haven't really done much today, so there hasn't been an awful lot of filming. Just been standing around chatting, stoking the fire, cooking food, chatting, doing not a lot really, drinking lots of tea and coffee. Des has got his poncho shelter there, looking very nice. Chris has got his TP burning, his stove burning rather. It is super hot inside that TP. It's like a sauna. Very nice indeed. And there's little old me. Really liking that flower point shelter. And I've kind of tucked it in at the back as well to give it more sort of living space and make most of the space around. And it's quite simple to set up as well. Got a ridge line running from that tree all the way across to that tree. I had to extend the ridge line a little bit, and then prusik on the far end there on one corner, and then the middle of the tarp is tied up to this prusik knot here, and that's it. Otherwise it's a case of pegging it all out and getting it set up just nicely. And it gives you loads and loads of room inside. Loads of room for the bivvy, rucksack, all the kit, and lots of protection from the wind and the rain that we're expecting to get a little bit later on tonight. Yeah, really pleased with that. And I've got a few little drinkies to enjoy later on tonight as well. Dinner is served. Good morning. What a windy morning it is too. I won't lie, I didn't have a great night's sleep. This wind was supposed to calm down last night. It was supposed to go down to about 15 mile an hour, which is nothing really to worry about. But then about 3:30 this morning I woke up to the sound of all the trees clattering against one another and the wind howling through camp. And after that I just had a real struggle getting back to sleep. But there you go, I stayed in bed until about 6:30, just laying there trying to drift off, but in the end I just gave up and I thought, sod it, I'm packing up camp. So I'm the first up, I'm the first packed away. As always, I've left no trace. Got a few flattened leaves. Got my rubbish in my rucksack to take home with me. And it's nice that the rucksack is lighter than it was yesterday when I carried in loads of water and a few beers and some food and that. But hopefully you can hear this okay over the wind that's howling through camp. So, it's going to be an easier walk home for me because it's all going to be downhill mostly. But yeah, it was a nice camp. Des is up. He's gone off to do his morning ablutions. And Chris and John are still in the palace over there, snoring away. And I shall bid you farewell in this camp, and hopefully bring you back for another one next month. So, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.